Hello and welcome back to English Daily Flow, the best place to improve your English listening and speaking.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Emma. Today, we are going to learn about a very useful topic, how to talk at the doctor's office.
That is right. Going to the doctor can be scary, especially in a foreign country. Please help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
Let's get started. So, Kevin, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Emma. I feel very healthy. And you?
I am wonderful, thanks. I went for a long run this morning, so I feel energized.
That is great. Exercise is important. But today, we need to imagine that we are not healthy.
Yes, let's imagine a situation. You wake up and your stomach hurts very badly.
Oh no, a stomach ache. That is the worst.
Exactly. So first, you need to call the clinic. Let's practice that phone call. I'll be the receptionist.
Okay, I'm ready. Ring, ring.
Good morning, City Medical Center. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Kevin Jones. I would like to make an appointment to see a doctor, please.
Of course, Mr. Jones. Are you a new patient?
No, I have been there before. I am an existing patient.
Okay, let me find your file. Can you verify your date of birth, please?
Yes, it is January 1st, 1990.
Thank you. And what is the reason for your visit today?
The reason? Well, my stomach hurts very badly. I think I ate something bad.
I see. Is it urgent? Do you need to come in right now?
Emma, wait, what does urgent mean again?
Good question. Urgent means very important. Does it need attention immediately or can it wait until tomorrow?
Ah, I understand. Okay, back to the role play. Yes, it is urgent. It hurts a lot.
Okay, we have an opening at 11 a.m. with Dr. Wilson. Can you make it?
Yes, 11 a.m. is perfect. Thank you.
Great. Please bring your current insurance card. See you then. Goodbye.
Okay, that was the phone call. Now, imagine I am at the clinic.
You arrive at the front desk. You check in. You sit in the waiting room.
I wait. I look at the clock.
Then a nurse opens the door. She calls your name. Kevin Jones?
That's me. I stand up.
Before you see the doctor, the nurse needs to check your vital signs.
Vital signs. We learned this before. It means checking my body numbers, right?
Yes. First, she asks you to step on the scale.
To check my weight. Okay.
Then she puts a cuff on your arm to check your blood pressure.
A cuff. Is that the thing that squeezes my arm?
Yes, it wraps around your arm and gets tight. It measures how hard your heart is pumping.
It feels a little uncomfortable.
It only takes a minute. Then she checks your temperature with a thermometer. Finally, she takes you to the room.
Okay, now I'm in the room with the doctor. I will wait for Dr. Emma.
Knock, knock. Hello, Kevin. I'm Dr. Emma.
Hello, doctor.
Good morning, Kevin. I see on your chart that you are having some stomach trouble.
Yes, doctor. My stomach really hurts.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe the pain? Is it a sharp pain or a dull ache?
Sharp or dull? Can you remind me of the difference?
Of course. A sharp pain feels like a knife or a needle. It's sudden and strong. A dull ache is a heavy pain, like a bruise or a pressure that stays for a long time.
I see. It is a dull ache. It feels very heavy, and I have cramps.
Okay. Do you have any other symptoms? Do you have nausea?
Nausea. How do you spell that?
Nausea. Nausea. It means the feeling that you want to vomit or throw up. You feel sick in your stomach.
Yes, I have nausea. I feel like I might throw up.
Okay. Have you vomited today?
Yes, 2 times this morning.
I see. And do you have a fever or chills?
No, I don't think so. My temperature feels normal.
Okay. Did you eat anything unusual yesterday? Maybe some street food or something old?
Let me think. Yes, I ate some sushi from a gas station last night.
Ah, that might be the problem. Sushi from a gas station is risky.
I know that now. I regret it.
Okay, Kevin, I need to examine your stomach. Please lie down on the table.
I lie down.
I'm going to press on your stomach. This is called palpation. Tell me if it hurts.
Okay.
Pressing on the upper stomach, does it hurt here?
No, that feels okay.
Pressing on the lower stomach, does it hurt here?
Ouch. Yes, that hurts. That is very tender.
Okay, you can sit up now.
What is wrong with me, doctor?
Based on your symptoms and the sushi, I think you have food poisoning.
Food poisoning. That sounds scary.
It is not dangerous if you take care. It means you ate bad bacteria in the food.
What should I do? Do I need antibiotics?
No, usually you do not need antibiotics. Your body will clear it naturally, but you need to follow a strict plan.
Okay, what is the plan?
First, you must stay hydrated. You are losing fluids.
Hydrated means drinking water, right?
Yes, drink lots of water or Gatorade. Take small sips. Do not drink it all at once.
Okay, small sips of water.
Second, you need to follow a bland diet for 24 hours.
Bland diet? Can you explain that again?
Bland means food with no flavor, no spice, no oil. We call it the BRAT diet.
Brat? Like a bad kid?
No, BRAT stands for bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast.
Bananas, rice, applesauce, toast.
Exactly. These foods are gentle on your stomach.
Only toast and rice? No pizza, no hamburger?
Definitely no pizza. Grease will make you vomit again.
Okay, I will eat toast.
I will give you a prescription for some anti-nausea medicine. It will stop the vomiting feeling.
Thank you, doctor.
Take one pill every 8 hours if you need it, and rest. You should feel better tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel better.
Wow, Emma, that was a very detailed conversation. I learned a lot about food poisoning.
It is important to know. But now, Kevin, let's try one more situation. This one is different.
Okay, what is the problem this time?
Imagine you were playing soccer. You fell down and hurt your leg.
Okay, my ankle hurts. Let's start. Hello, doctor. My leg really hurts.
Hello, Kevin. Let me look at it. Oh my goodness, your ankle is very swollen.
Swollen? What does that mean?
Swollen means it is bigger than normal, puffy, usually because of injury or fluid.
Yes, it looks like a balloon, and it's turning blue and purple.
That is called bruising. It looks like you sprained your ankle, or maybe you twisted it.
Is it broken, doctor? Can I walk on it?
I don't know yet. To be sure, we need to get an X-ray.
An X-ray? That is the picture of the bones, right?
Exactly. The nurse will take you to the X-ray room. They will take a picture of your bones.
Okay, I'm back with the X-ray.
Let's look at the picture. Good news, Kevin. No broken bones. It's just a bad sprain.
Phew, that is a relief. So what is the treatment?
For a sprain, you need to follow the RICE method.
Rice? Like the food?
No, not eating rice. It's an acronym. RICE.
What does it stand for?
R is for rest. Do not walk on it.
Okay, rest.
I is for ice. Put an ice pack on it to stop the swelling.
Ice. Got it.
C is for compression. Wrap it in a bandage.
Compression, like a tight sock.
Yes, and E is for elevation. Keep your leg up high on a pillow.
Elevation. Rest, ice, compression, elevation.
Exactly. Do this for 3 days and you will be fine.
Thank you, doctor.
That was a good practice, Kevin. Describing an injury is different from describing a sickness.
Yes, sickness is inside, injury is outside. And I learned 2 acronyms today. BRAT for stomach and RICE for injury.
Very smart. Now I think we should review the new vocabulary we used today. There were some difficult words.
That is a great idea. I want to remember nausea.
Okay, let's review. The first word is nausea.
Nausea. It is a noun. It means the feeling that you are going to vomit.
Correct. For example, I cannot eat because I have nausea.
The next word is urgent.
Urgent means very important and needing immediate attention.
Like, this phone call is urgent, or my pain is urgent.
Exactly. The next phrase is bland diet.
Bland diet. This means eating simple food without strong taste or spice, like toast and rice.
We use this when our stomach is upset. Next word is swollen.
Swollen. When a part of the body becomes larger because of injury or fluid.
My finger is swollen because I hit it.
Next is hydrated.
To stay hydrated means to keep enough water in your body.
Drink water to stay hydrated.
And finally, vital signs.
Vital signs. The important numbers like blood pressure and temperature.
Perfect. Kevin, you are a fast learner.
Thank you. It's easier when we practice together.
Now it's your turn, listeners. We have a question of the day for you.
We have 2 questions today.
Question 1, have you ever had food poisoning? What did you eat?
I hope it wasn't gas station sushi.
And question 2, what is a common home remedy for stomach pain in your country?
In my country, we drink ginger ale. What do you do?
Please write your answers in the comments below. We read every single one.
Yes, we love reading your stories.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Our next video will be about traveling at the airport.
Oh, I love traveling. I can't wait.
See you next time, everyone. Stay healthy.
Goodbye.